this is why it matters to pay attention to markets, right? We have unemployment rate and non-farm payrolls data about to come out, and we are about to see how that number either gets bigger or smaller. We shall see. If I'm right, it goes up. If I'm wrong, it goes down. So if you want information and market data that is quick and easy at your fingertips, and you want to be ready for next time, make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right. Also, we're going to be doing a giveaway, I guess, $100 for the next 30 days. I'm going to be posting 30 shorts, so make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be choosing a commenter that's subscribed to my channel, and he's going to be making $100. And if he wants to spend it in, what's it called? If he wants to spend it in a portfolio, I can help you, probably sit down with you and help you make a decision on that. We are about a minute away.
US non-farm payrolls.
Oh my goodness. Boys, this is what matters to be ready, Luck is where preparation meets opportunity. And this is what we're trying to take advantage of right now. Let's have a look. Oof. We're looking at the TQQQs right now, so this is likely to be moving extremely fast after, given the fact that it's three times the Nasdaq. So, oof. Everybody ready? We are 25 seconds away from data. We're likely to see the market pre-move just beforehand, but we're likely to see this move. I think if we meet expectations, this is going to be good for markets given the fact that we don't have recession fears, but
10
then
seconds.
The inflation feel could spark back up a little bit. But I think that most of those fears have most of those risks have passed already. And here we go.
254K, 254K.
They come in super hot.
150K. US unemployment rate 4.1%.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is no recession in the horizon.
4.2%. Average earnings year on year 4%, higher than forecast 3.8%, seeing large upside in the S&P and dollar.
This is
Private
fantastic
payrolls,
news.
223K,
Let's go.
223K higher than
Let's
forecast.
go.
125K. Average workweek hours 34.2, lower than forecast 34.3. Average earnings month on month 0.4%, 0.4%, higher than forecast 0.3%. Manufacturing payrolls -7K, -7K. Higher than forecast -8K. Labor force participation 62.7%, 62.7% as expected. Seeing some prior revisions, non-farm payrolls prior revised 159K. Average hourly earnings year on year prior revised 3.9%.
This is fantastic news for the economy. There's no recession fear, ladies and gentlemen. The Fed is doing the right thing. They're cutting and they're maintaining based on data. This is a good thing, unless we start getting those recession fears, But look at that number. That's fantastic.
Interest rate futures drop as traders price in fewer Fed rate reductions after the September jobs data.
Yeah, after this data, we're likely to go 25 for the remainder of the year. This is fantastic news. If you're in the markets, congratulations, you made a ton of money today. And if you're shorting the market, unlucky. Go cry, little bear. But this is fantastic. This is great news, Yeah, market's going to see a little bit of volatility. I think market was expecting this, but the fact that we were expecting negative news yesterday, like there's just positive catalyst after positive catalyst after positive catalyst, is super interesting as well. I must say, this is fantastic news for those people that are inside the markets. We're probably going to see some sell-off, but we're likely to see the weekend in the green. This is fantastic news, everybody. Fantastic news. It's probably an entry point right here. Holy. But yeah, market likes it. Market likes it for sure.
So dollar yen up 0.82% at 148.14.
The dollar is getting stronger given the fact that we're probably not going to see those 50 rate cuts, and we're likely to see actual cuts. So let's go to the Fed Watch tool for a second just to evaluate this and see what the market is pricing in.
I have posted the US non-farm payroll September 2024 report on the feed for all those interested.
This is great data for everybody. Let me post in my group. Man, I swear to God, yeah, 68%. We were at 50% the last couple of days. So a week ago, we were sitting at 50-50. Right now, we are sitting at those 25, which is fantastic. They did the big cut just to tell markets, hey, calm down, everything is okay. And then it just slowly is into the cut cycle. This is great news. This is great news. It only required for 10 minutes. Let me just save. Hopefully I can save that. But yeah, the FOMC. This is great news, everybody. Great news. Market's selling off into this, but I mean, the dollar continues to go up. People are going to be, treasuries are heading up. Yields are coming down. Are they? No, yields should be going up, actually. A little bit up. Yeah. Yeet. Yeah, long-term yields are coming up, but we're seeing market has priced in, and market was right this time around. We had some fears this week, but they were not warranted at all. At all. This is great news, everybody. Great news. If you're here, don't forget to hit that like, that subscribe. We do this every time there is a market catalyst that I think it's important for markets. And if we hear any news, I'm probably going to be streaming those events too. If you're looking for a little bit of professional insights into what a trader is thinking, then feel free to hit that like and subscribe. Also remember that for the next 30 days, we're going to be after the next 30 days, we're going to be doing a giveaway, which is going to be fantastic. Let's freaking go, ladies and gentlemen. Bam, 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 bam. What a day. What a day to go to work. Let's go. All right.
So
thanks so much for watching.
Bets of a 50 basis point.
Yeah, we're not getting that 50.
The jobs data.
Because we get November. When is the next report? The next non-farm? Let's have a look. Oh, wait. Dates. So we're getting one today, and then we're getting the 4th of October. So we have one more jobs report that we have to pay attention to, which is, keep it close, keep it tight. But that is great. And then, we also have the November one, because I think the next meeting is in 34 days. So yeah, we definitely get the November one inside there too. As long as we don't see any major data that's scaring markets, like markets should continue to rally into the year end. I mean, there is still the recession, there's still the fears of the election, but we are more than happy to stay in there. Whoever wins, there's still money to be made on both sides, and it's going to take time for regulation to be passed and then those changes to be implemented. And I don't think even Trump is going to take away any of the sort of spending that the States has, just because it's still good for the economy. We have a couple of guys from Less Stock that are doing interesting things, and talking about how the Kamala presidency is going to be better for oil investors. That's something that we definitely got to watch out for. Got to listen to that podcast episode for sure. But markets are pumping. This was you see right here was a buy signal. Should have trusted my instinct, but I'm already making bank, so that's not too bad. You know what I mean? I'm already fully invested in. I'm already trading in. So it's gonna be definitely interesting. We'll see what happens in the markets, but wow, let's go. $1,000 in a day ain't a bad day to be working.
So traders price in under 100 basis points of Fed easing over the next 4 meetings.
Under. So we are. That's an interesting one. So what? We're gonna do 25 next one. Potentially. Dang. Let's go. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Stay tuned for more content. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or do whatever the things that you need to do. Thanks so much for watching, and peace out.